Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I am going to show you how to record your screen using built-in tools. So, the easiest way to do that is by scrolling down from the very top of your screen. So, let's look for screen recorder. And as you can see, it has color blue. And that is because I am currently using this. Let's long press this and it will take you to the screen recorder settings. So if you want to record the internal audio, enable this. If you want to record output audio or microphone, enable this. You can also change the image quality of your recording here. Enable this if you want to show taps or disable it if you don't want to show touches. And you can enable the do not disturb if you don't want notification during screen recording by turning this on. And to record your screen, let's go to the quick settings panel and tap the screen recorder once. It will then show something like this. To pause, just tap this, and to stop the recording, just tap on this red button. And that's it. You just learned how to record your screen using built-in tools in Android.